Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this stadium located in Paris, France, the stadium that hosts the famous French club Paris Saint Germain. If you want to learn how to say more interesting and often mispronounced names from football, make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say this? In France, in French, it is said as Parc des Princes. Parc des Princes. Pretty straightforward once you know. Parc des Princes, meaning the park of the princes, obviously. Parc des Princes. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from football whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.